Burco is the aftermarket leader in providing quality products and solutions for broken side view mirrors. The following video equips you with easy-to-use instructions for installing your Burco replacement mirror. Burco's Redi-Set-Go mirror replacements are an ideal choice if your backing plate is broken or missing. Redi-Set-Go mirror replacements eliminate the need to remove broken glass, making for a quick and easy install. Reference the install code on your Redi-Set-Go box. Replacing a damaged side view mirror can be performed in 5 easy steps using Burco Redi-Set-Go replacement mirrors. Redi-Set-Go mirror replacements are complete with a pre-applied motor mount. The backing plate shown in this installation may not be an exact match to yours. However, the installation techniques are the same. You will need these tools to install your Burco mirror replacement. Please follow industry-accepted recommendations for personal safety. Place a towel on the edge of the mirror head to protect the vehicle. Manually pivot the mirror and backing plate upward by applying pressure on the upper portion of the mirror. Insert the flathead screwdriver or putty knife below the mirror and backing plate and carefully pry lower snap locks off the snap lock guides. Once the lower snap locks pop off, pull down and out to release the upper hook locks from the hook lock guides. If the original mirror is a heated mirror, disconnect wires from the mirror's heating element. If applicable, auto-dimming wires may have to be disconnected or clipped and capped. Burco mirror replacements do not auto-dim. If applicable, reconnect heating wires to the mirror's terminal leads. Test functionalities before proceeding to the next step. Insert the upper hook locks into the hook lock guides. Be sure upper hook locks are fully seated. Next, apply gentle pressure and snap lower snap locks into snap lock guides. Clean the installed Redi-Set-Go mirror replacement with glass cleaner. For additional information, visit burcoinc.com.